Nginya gutiga wira gwake, John Cardinal Njue arari muthikabu munene wa Diocese ya Nairobi na riu ekaria Embu no maranyotera utongoria wake makiuga akoretwe ari kionereria kiega utongoria ri wa kanitha pamwe na wa bururi.
Cardinal, I want to say that as a government we identify with you and we value your leadership and the contribution you have made in making our nation what it is today.
Watu wengi hawajui, mkituona wengine tukiongea tumesoma kutoka kwa Cardinal. Kama iko kitu naambiwa, kama uko na ukweli, ushike ukweli wako, na ushiwe na uoga.
And we can see with the many years that you have prayed to God, you have more service to give, and will continue to come to you for wise counsel, especially as the leaders of Embu County.
Ni matugerete Cardinal Njue ni undu wa gutigirira kwena uthii wa na mbere kanithari wa Gatoreki thiini wa Diocese ya Embu.
Mirandi mingira ingi twikite kuo twikite rungu rwa Cardinal John Njue kwi tugicokia ngatho muno na nginya utongoria guothe turona thiini wa Embu mavatiri turona twinao tumamanite na utongoria mwega wa Cardinal wetu John Njue.
Atuika bishop wa Embu na wathire na mbere na utungatira kanitha na vinya muno nginya gitiga na watigirira no waka kanitha wa Muthata wa kuria Carolina.
Tuko na furaha sana kwa sababu ya kardinali na kanisa la Katoliki, kwa sababu sisi Wakorino tulikuwa na shinda hapo mbeleni. Tulikuwa tunasoma, wakati mwingine tunachukuliwa kwa mashule ya Catholic, tunapata matatizo.
Mbere ya gutiga wira ta muthikavu, Cardinal Njue ni aratongoretie diocese tiganite kuria mwakari wa 1986 amurire gutuika muthikavu wa mbere wa Diocese ya Embu nginyagia mwaka wa 2002 kuria amurire gutuika muthikavu munene wa Nyeri. Kuma mweri wa 10 mwaka wa 2007 akoretwe ari muthikavu munene wa Diocese ya Nairobi nginyagia kavindari karia aratigire wira ari na miaka 77. Cardinal Njue augite na gukorwa akithi na mbere na utungata wa kanitha, muru wa nyina akiuga kumana na kithomo giake na utungata wake mari na mwegerero no atuike nginyagia mutongoria wa kanitha thiini wa nthi.
The Bishop Njue and Cardinal, they are still there. Are we together? They are still there. And when there are, if there are services that are needed and so on in the parish or in the, always there. So long as we have the energy. And I can assure you from what I feel within myself, there is no difficulty. There is nothing that is, no.
Traho, wira wake no kuthia na gura mbere. Maybe he may become a cardinal also. I mean, a pope.
Kuri andu wengi na makire kuria karia kaunti ya Embu magakoragwo makiririkana Cardinal Njue utungatari wake arita kionereria kiega miturire yao. Inoro TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, betagwa Peter Mungai.